Today's artist in focus is the one on Megatone. Who is Megatone for the Masho?
When this one feed the nation, it's another connection. Megatone feed the Masho, raging. Yo, kubani when yo shongare baba zero bamanyise.
Alright, it's Ankole Media. I think this I'm a sober sparks and one savage on it. Say, yeah, savage camera. So today's artist in focus is the one on Megatone. Who is Megatone for the Masho? Megatone for the Masho is one of the guy. This is one of the guys abagumera seen for quite some time, and Megatone. Apparently, I'm shedding an insight not on just for his career, from back in the days up now. He has been here for quite some years, but today I'm shedding some insight on his latest song, Ninga Shkorabo, Yena Rage. This is one of the songs that you encourage. Let it be forever. Yeah, that's the song. It's a collab between Rage, aka Western Uganda, featuring the one and only Megatone for the Masho. Apparently, this song, it's a personal rating. Disclaimer: this is a personal rating. Apparently, this song, Hano Western Uganda, for the last 5 years. Echeche songoro ncho chibire viral chibire that effectiveness itakwetaga kujangugisha sure. No, you look at TikTok or challenges or wherever, like if you go a day ukahura any radio station inga TV station ubani hanubano munumbara ubani Kampala over everywhere wasanga already touched nuzuna mukwebuza these guys real okay. So forever audio by audio by Alpha Music, of course, Mr. Bruno, yes, rebranded from Bruno Beats. Then video by Kieron Fixe, one of the best video directors we have in the land. Video munonga, and apparently this is like an A-class song, video A-class, audio A-class. Everything about this song is typically perfect. You look at the vocals coupled with the talent, and then you know what Rage brings on the scene. So Megatone, apparently Megatone nyuma habire yasanko wabura mu but nitekateka ngo chesongo is one of the songs eberamurete ebemuleze mugariza scene kandi nitekateka ngo yakwasiza unje abasa kuchitekinja from there. Yabantu mbenu mwibuza abonye Rage atakwereza collabos, because Rage atakushaka kwereza collabos maybe because of his brand, of course ati watan kakuba an established artist nota kujangu abantu bintu expecting echabantu chibako expecting obire bwinji it's not what you give because of certain reasons ezotakubasa ku explain injira abantu ningashawa mateze batakobasa kumanya, but whatever case it may be, yes, we respect his decisions, but so the song is here forever. Beautiful YouTube, it's by the way Atom Western Uganda, it's the best song like on YouTube. Apparently so far breaking YouTube, but he's here forever. Kana Rage kurugobwa merachi that Merachi album. Of the Merachi album there was one song that was Manvuli. So nanebye bizire ne bawa rwagati tibizire kwitinga jinkeche songoro. So this is one song I would endorse. It's my song of the week, song of the year so far. But I cannot predict that yet. But it's one of the songs that you're going to encourage. So now what about the sparks and competition in Savage C1SS?
Nyihombo sikazobo bukwe pankandi baruntwara ndahire wenda kwiruka wenda kuzana ningo kwegama onyete nkubanjire.